Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, third time's the charm. So third time I'm doing it. Guys, we're doing the Bean Boozled challenge. So this time it is the 4th edition of the Bean Boozled game. There's new flavors, and I thought I would be challenging my best friend. You guys have already met her, Leah. So welcome. Okay, so I haven't told her any of the flavors. I'm actually really happy that they took out the worst one, which was skunk spray and licorice. Thank God. So the rules of the game, we're just gonna be spinning them. We'll both have to try the flavors that they picked, and then you have to chew it for 5 seconds.
Don't we need cocktails for this?
We need cocktails, I forgot about that. Okay, break, we'll be back. Oh, and we need a trash can. Well, not even a small one. We are gonna need that. We look like vampires, we're so pale. This is the Indiana glow, okay guys? Okay, so stop trying to make out with me. That's not this kind of video. And then what I went ahead and did was I picked up some sweet tarts. These are the chewy sours. These are sour AF, and it's also going to completely shock our taste buds after we eat something extremely bad.
Wait, but how many chews can I chew before?
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. So I don't think I've ever showed you what the inside of this looks like. Okay, so the inside, it has all your jelly beans here, and then you have your little wheel. Yeah. We're good. Okay, do you wanna go first or do you want me to go first?
We should flip a coin. I got a coin.
Okay, you know what? We're gonna flip a puzzle piece. Okay, ready? Paper side down, I go first. Ooh! Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. How is it the first bean of the game is the new flavor? Go ahead, that's yours.
Oh, wait, what? I thought you ate both.
Cheers. Oh! Smell my breath.
Please no.
Oh my god, it still sucks. That was like rotten sushi. Ooh! Okay, lime or long clippings.
Cheers.
Cheers, this one's not bad. Lime.
Lime. It doesn't taste like anything.
Coconut or spoiled milk?
Do you know how much I love you? Coconut.
I don't even drink milk. That's how bad that is.
Oh, are we supposed to eat one of these now?
You don't have to. I want chips. Do you have chips? Let's grab some chips. I'm crying.
That was a good spin. Come on.
Rotten egg or buttered popcorn?
Buttered popcorn. She has lost every round.
Can you please give me the one? Because I'm apparently not a good picker. Doritos help mask the taste a lot better. All right, we have chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
This one different. 1, 2, 3. Are you serious? Yes, I love this game. Money, money, money.
Juicy pear or burger?
Booger.
Burger.
Bug.
Bug?
Bug.
Burger. Okay. Oh. Go ahead.
This was really good.
Are you okay? Leah, this is not funny. I didn't chew that for 5 seconds, that's for sure. All right, blueberry toothpaste. I like either one of these.
Hey, I got toothpaste.
Good one, but it tastes good. I got toothpaste too, but I like it because again, it feels like I brushed my teeth. Okay, flip it again. We're gonna keep going until she gets bad ones. Peach or barf?
No, that is more on the line.
Honey, peach or barf? Go ahead. Please, please God. Okay, ready?
I have a bad feeling about this one.
Uh-huh.
Peach.
Peach. Oh my God. Tutti Frutti or stinky socks?
Tutti Frutti. We should seriously go to the gas station and buy a lottery ticket.
You know what? I put this one down thinking that this one would be better. How did I just pull out 2 stinky socks? Yeah, I think my body's just in shock right now. So.
Love you.
Love you.
Caramel corn
or moldy cheese?
It literally just tastes like
Your breath smells really bad. That one's actually not as terrible. That bowl smells so bad.
All right, strawberry banana and dead fish again. Nope. Oh no.
Trust me, the Doritos help. Woo! All right. Mom! We're gonna have Mom play around with me. I lose every round. These are to cleanse your palate. If you get a bad one, that is where you spit it. If it's
This is gonna
don't
take-
smell it. Don't smell it. Trust me, you won't want to play.
There's
I still have
So this one is strawberry banana or dead fish.
Dead fish?
Yeah.
Now, it is dead fish, but I am tough. I swallowed it. What it is, yeah.
eat a chip. Eat a chip, Mom.
You'll get it out of your mouth. You'll get the taste out of your mouth.
I've had worse things.
I'm leaving that in. I'm not cutting that out. Cheers.
Cheers.
Listen, I've said this after every single time. Do not play this game.
Uh-huh.
Woo!
Ozzy, come here. Beamer. Did you give him
They
one to
already
eat?
saw. No, we didn't give them one to eat. That's so mean.
Why? Because he was eating on an ornament just now. I think it'll be all right. Come here, look.
want this?
We can't see him.
You like this?
What is it? Fish?
Yeah.
Good boy.
All right, he ate it. All right, well, I guess the dogs are even getting better picks than I am. Boop, 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 boop. Aw. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have any comments, questions, or you just want to have a conversation. Leave it all in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video.
Right here. Bye. He's already trained.
Wait,
Jesus
Shae.
help me.
Hey.